NYC Clean Heat is transforming the marketplace for cleaner heating fuels in New York City. It's going to be easier for buildings to burn cleaner fuels in the future, and it also means that our air quality is going to be better for years and years to come.
We at Environmental Defense Fund, we would look out the window, we would see black smoke coming out of chimneys left and right, and we learned that this is because these buildings are burning highly polluting heavy heating oil.
Mayor Bloomberg recognized the danger to public health posed by soot emissions.
14 months ago, we issued rules requiring the city-wide phase-out of number 6 heating oil by 2015 and number 4 oil by 2030. And the reason is simple. While only 1% of the buildings in the city, some 10,000 in total, use these heavy grades of oil, burning them generates more soot than all the cars and trucks on our streets and roads combined.
The goal of NYC Clean Heat is to get the buildings that burn the heavy oil to switch to either biodiesel, number 2 oil, or natural gas.
Clean heat is also really about efficiency, and efficiency is going to save a building money in the long run and the short run. You're going to have operation savings, you're going to have electric savings, and you're going to have maintenance savings that's going to go over the lifetime of your system.
When our building did a financial evaluation, we determined that the number one thing we could do to reduce our operating costs was to change the economics of our fuel consumption. Number 6 fuel oil has the consistency of sludge. In order to burn it in the system, you have to use a tremendous amount of electricity to heat it up so that it reaches the appropriate viscosity to go into your furnace. In addition to about a $10,000 reduction in fuel cost, we also achieved another $10,000 reduction in electrical cost.
The numbers just popped out. I said, wow, we can save a fortune of money and do great things for the environment. I projected a savings of 33% per year, 1/3 per year on energy cost, on the cost of fuel, not even factoring in the savings of maintenance. This year it came in at 40%.
Every building is different. So NYC Clean Heat is here to help building owners find the best solution and most cost-effective solution for their building.
The program was put in place to balance the long-term public health goals with the short-term economic needs of the buildings.
Soot pollution has been linked to many different health problems, such as heart and lung disease, aggravated asthma, increased risk for certain cancers, and even premature death.
As a chief financial officer, obviously a financial viable institution is most important to me. This boiler plant not only saves the hospital money, it helps the environment, it helps our patients, it helps our neighbors, it helps the buildings around here, the local businesses.
What this program aims to do is to bring really a tremendous group of resources to building owners in order to make these conversions possible and to accelerate really a public health goal that is quite ambitious but is actually doable.
NYC Clean Heat has already been very effective. Close to 1,500 buildings have converted to the cleanest fuels, and another 2,000 buildings are expected to convert in the next 12 to 18 months.
Our program connects buildings burning heavy fuel oil to free technical assistance, financial assistance, and we also work with industry leaders to smooth out the process for buildings that need to convert.
When I came to the city in the late 60s, there were any number of buildings burning coal. You couldn't go out into the street without getting covered with coal dust. Now that doesn't happen anymore. We can do the same thing for heavy oil.
It's really easy to get started. Just call 311 and ask for Clean Heat or visit our website and we'll start working with you today.